Hello, my name is Amanda Berwick, and I'm a placement project specialist here at Oxnard College in the Career Center. Essentially what I do is help our students develop their job readiness skills, help them with resumes and mock interview support, as well as run an online job board where local employers can connect with our students and opportunities. In addition, we have some really great career events, such as our annual job fair, a student worker job fair that happens each semester, and various career speaker series events.
Hi, my name is Dr. Shannon Treffs, and I am a counselor with the Oxnard College Career Center. One of the things that I really love to do is to help students figure out a little bit more about themselves and who they are, what they want out of life and out of their career pathways, and probably most importantly, how to get there and practically how to make that happen. We get to know you on a very personal level, what your personality type is, your interests, any natural strengths or talents that you have. We all have them, and things that you value. And then we can take that information as a career counselor and figure out where that might fit in the working world, the occupational world. We spend a lot of our time and a lot of our lives at work, and really our goal is to make sure that you are thriving and that you are happy and excited to wake up in the morning to go and do the job that you're setting out to do.
Definitely the Career Center helped me out primarily in the resume building. That was something I still struggle even to this day, and something that I really regret is not using the services a lot more because, hey, they're free for you as a student.
Every day we have employers that are looking to hire both students and alumni. Students have access to this job board directly through their portal. It's called Handshake, and there's a wide variety of jobs and internships on this site. So I really encourage you to take advantage of all resources, including the career resources while you're here at Oxnard College.